Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about theme settings. So in this video, we will see website themes, website logos, custom CSS, and website theme settings. When you go to the admin, go to store personalization. Here you can see the website themes. So here you can see the opted website themes from our default one. If you are having a pro module and having private store as well, so for default store you can opt for the different theme, and for the private stores you can purchase the different themes. So on default store it can be a different theme, or on a private store it can be a different theme. So from here website logos, you can update the all store logos. So if you click over here, so you can see default store all logos. It's for site logo. For the private stores, you can see all the logos available over here. If you want to update any logo, just select the store, let's say default store. And you can easily upload the logos from here. So there is logo you can update. Then click on back button. If you want to change some custom level changes for the website, let's say for the theme, theme colors, or for the font sizes, or make font bold or look, then you can manage all those things from the custom CSS. This is only for the default store. So here you can see our default custom CSS, and if you want to change any color coding or any font size or anything, you can just edit it over here. So you can do. Also we are giving you custom JS, that's for JavaScript. So if you have any custom JavaScript query, you can run it over here. So that will also work. If I click on again back, so here these are the few themes or website logos and custom CSS parts. Also, if you want to do some theme level settings, which may be affected on, if you come over here on the home page, let's say these are the product boxes, or how many products you want to show in a column or in a row, that all you can manage through the website theme settings. Just go in admin, just go to the store configuration, site settings, and at the end of tab you can see the theme settings. So just click over there. So here all are the theme related settings which may be effective on the product pages, on the home page, on the product page. So how many things you want to display, option to display home page banner, full page banner, or which all are options available over here. Let's say if we take an example, option to display product list on home page, or option to set effect on product box. So there are lots of settings. Okay, so let's see, we will see this setting, option to set effect on product box. So right now if we go, so these are the product box on home page. Okay, if we click over here, you can see what effect: hover zoom on mouse, hover zoom the product image, none, no effect. So let's say if we change the option to set effect on product box from none to hover zoom and click on save button, how it will change. If I come over here and refresh this page, so if I keep the mouse over here, so it is zooming out, just keeping the mouse over here. Let's say if I change something from hover zoom to 3D flip, then what will happen? See you. Just come on front store, refresh. If I come over here, it's 3D flip. So in that way, there are different options which you can opt for. Let's say if I keep it on none, then you can select, for example, number of templates designed per page. So you can select 25 templates should be visible. Display thumbnail in large view of template design. Set tooltip width, hovering on template design. So these are related to number of templates, how many templates are to show. Then option to set effect on price calculator, product info page, it's a collapse or expand. Then local pickup method, display style is a separate or default. So there are lots of options available which may look some different ways. So you can use these theme settings for the option. If you have any queries and concern, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.